Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll discuss the logical operator OR. And in your mid exam, there was a fourth question. If P is true and Q is false, then P or Q is what? Below we are given four options, and first one is correct. Now we'll try to understand that why it is the correct answer. So here in this question we are given the logical operator OR. This symbol is OR operator, and also we can call it disjunction. And in this way we can draw the table for this operator, this logical operator. And now we will, with the help of example, we will try to understand that how we can draw this table for the logical operator OR or disjunction. For example, you are going for an exam and the instruction states that you must bring either your ID card or university card. So it means having one of them is sufficient, and forgetting one doesn't prevent you in sitting in the exam. ऐसा ही होगा ना, जब आपको आप जब एग्ज़ाम देने जाओगे और इंस्ट्रक्शन में आपको अगर होगा कि आपने अपना आईडी कार्ड लाना है या यूनिवर्सिटी कार्ड, तो आप उनमें से कोई एक भी अगर लेके गए तो वो आपको, आप वैलिड होगे, आप यू आर अलाउड टू सिट इन एग्ज़ाम देन. So there in this example, logical operator OR is used to connect the phrases that you must bring either your ID card or your university card. So here the logical operator OR is, or disjunction is used to connect these phrases. This P is about the identity card, and Q is about university card, the phrase about the university card. Now let us consider, if you bring your ID card, this means P is true, and forget about university card, this means Q is false, but still you are allowed to sit in exam, so this would be true. And secondly, let us consider that you forget about your ID card, then P would be false, and you bring your university card, so this Q would be true. But still, because you have one of them, you would be allowed to sit in exam, so this would be true. And if both P and Q are true, obviously that would be a true. It is false only, this OR operator, logical operator OR would be false only. Here you can see that in all cases it will be true, and it will be false only when both P and Q are false. This means you don't either bring your ID card or university card. So in this case, you will be not allowed to sit in exam. But here you can see that in this question, it is mentioned that if P is true and Q is false, then P or Q is what? So this means already here given that one of them is true, P is true. So this means this is the case. So that would be true. कोई एक भी आप उस कंडीशन में, जब भी कोई भी सेंटेंस जिसमें फ्रेजेस कनेक्टेड होते हैं और ऑपरेटर से, डिसजंक्शन से, तो उसमें से कोई एक भी अगर फुलफिल हो गई तो वो फुलफिल होगा. Because this logical operator OR ensures the flexibility. Either one of them is true, it would be true. Thank you. See you in the next video.